This tutorial will guide you through its brief history of this most popular language called Python and its installation on Windows. The beginning of late 1980s. In 1989, Guido van Rossum started working on a new programming language while at Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica CWI in the Netherlands. He wanted a language that was simple, readable, and powerful. The name Python came from the comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, not the snake. Python 1.0 1991 to 1994. The first public release of Python appeared in 1991. It introduced functions, modules, and exception handling. Developers appreciated its clean syntax. Python 2.0 era of 2000. Python 2.0 was released in 2000. Added list comprehensions and improved memory management. Adoption increased in education, web development, and automation. Python 3.0 revolution in 2008. Python 3.0 launched in 2008. Introduced improvements that made the language cleaner and more consistent. Some older Python 2 code required updates. The rise of data science and AI in 2010s further made Python more popular. Python became the dominant language for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, scientific computing. Many popular Python libraries or tools like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch were developed and gained enormous popularity in machine learning and deep learning in particular. 6. Python today. It is one of the world's most popular programming languages, used by startups, universities, and major technology companies. Common in AI, web apps, automation, cybersecurity, and scientific research. With this interesting background behind us, let us start with Python installation for Windows. So we are now all set for exploring Python installation on Windows. Step 1. Download Python. Open Python downloads for Windows. Look for the latest stable release. Example of what you'll see. Click to download Python by identifying the right Windows installer 64-bit. Most Windows 11 systems use the 64-bit installer. Go to the link for Python 3 release at https://www.python.org. Step 2. Locate the installer. After downloading, 1. Open File Explorer. 2. Go to Downloads. 3. Find a file similar to python3.x.xamd64.exe. Double-click it. Run the installer. Select the option to add python3.x to path. The setup window appears. Step 3. Add Python to path. Required action. At the bottom, white heavy checkmark add python3.x to path. Check this box first. Then click Install Now. You should see something similar to shown here. Step 4. User account control. Windows may ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. Step 5. Installation progress. Wait while Python installs. You should see a progress screen. When the installation has finished, you will see the message installation was successful. Click the Close button to exit the installer. Step 6. Disable path length limit. Many versions display, disable path length limit. Click it. Benefits. Avoids issues with long project folder names. Helps when installing Python packages. Then click Close. Step 7. Verify installation. Press Windows key plus X, select Terminal or Command Prompt. Run Python version. Expected, Python 3.x.x verify pip version. Step 8, test Python. Run, Python. You should see. Type, print hello world. Output, hello world. Exit. Now let us explore a few FAQs on Windows 11 troubleshooting. Problem 1, Python is not recognized. Example, Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. Solution: Fix 1. Reinstall Python and ensure, white heavy check mark, add Python to path. Is checked. Solution: Fix 2, check path. Open, Settings System About Advanced System Settings. Then, Environment Variables. Look for, Python. Python \scripts. Inside the path variable as shown on the screen. Now let us create our first Python program using Python idle. If you've recently downloaded Python onto your computer, then you may have noticed a new program icon on your desktop called idle. This idle comes bundled with every Python installation. Idle is an integrated development environment that combines several development tools into one program. Once you've installed it, you can then use Python idle as an interactive interpreter or as a file editor. 2.1 Using the Python idle shell. After Python is installed on your system, a Python program icon will appear on your machine desktop or in your Start menu's program list. One of the items in the program group will be titled Idle Python GUI. Click this item to start idle, and you will see the Python shell window. This is a blank Python interpreter window. You can use it to start interacting with Python immediately. You can test it out with the following code. You can restart the shell from this menu. If you select that option, then you'll clear the state of the shell. It will act as though you've started a fresh instance of Python idle. The shell will forget about everything from its previous state. Writing a Python program idle. To write a new Python program in idle, you open a new editing window. Using Options File, New File. Type the following as seen in the editing window of idle. Save the program using Save As shown on the screen. Here the program is named sum.py. Now to run the program, go to Options, Run Module. You will see the output on the screen. If a program contains a syntax error, when you run the program you will see that the editor will highlight the location of the error in the code as shown on the screen. Finally, to exit idle. Just type exit to exit idle as shown on the screen. That's it? Great. We have successfully installed Python on Windows. So let's summarize the steps of our tutorial. We first explored the brief history of Python and then followed the following steps to install Python on Windows. Step 1. Download Python from www.python.org. Step 2. Locate the Python installer. Step 3. Add Python to path environment variable. Step 4. Set user account control option. Step 5. Monitor installation progress. Step 6. Disable path length limit. Step 7. Verify Python installation. Step 8. Test Python. And finally, we executed a program in Python idle. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to press the subscribe button on your screen.